Hello, welcome back. Today's video is baby imprints video. Before going into the video, do subscribe to the channel. Generally, we will store our little ones' precious things like first toy, first dress. The same way to keep our baby little cute hands and feet more memorable, we did this casting, which I will be sharing our experience and few little steps in this video. We buy necessary stuff like alginate powder and plaster of Paris powder in Amazon. For links, you can check the description box. And we bought deionized water from Tesco as recommended in the procedure. If we divide the procedure into 4 steps, first step is the mold preparation. We prepare the mold with alginate powder. Here we are using deionized water. We are using this container to prepare the mold, which we are going to do for the feet of baby. First pour deionized water into the container and then add alginate powder. Here you can observe immediately after adding alginate powder, the solution started changing into pink color. Now mix carefully without any lumps with the help of stick or knife, even with a spoon. Following the instructions, we have to insert baby's feet when the solution is pink in color itself. We have to be cautious that feet should not touch to the bottom or edges or sides. It may spoil the proper shape of imprints. The best time to take baby imprints is when baby is sleeping. Within 1 to 2 minutes, mold turns white in color, which is in semi-solid state. Then remove baby's feet slowly from the mold, carefully without any breaks. You can see here it came out nicely. Next step is preparing the plaster. Pour some amount of water into the mold and measure it. As usual, by adding powder to the water, we have to prepare plaster of Paris mixture. And pour some mixture into the desired mold carefully and tap for any air bubbles. And then fill it with remaining mixture. Leave some time as recommended in the procedure. Now it's time to remove the mold. Remove the mold with the help of knife by cutting the edges carefully, slowly, step by step. Meanwhile, I will be sharing my experience about this baby imprints, how we came to know first. We saw them 6 years back in London in my friend's house, which they casted for their baby. Me and my husband like them very much, so we decided to take this type of imprints for our baby. For our elder one, we took these imprints at 6 months of age. At that time, we bought that kit from Mothercare, but Mothercare is closed now, so we bought from Amazon. For our little one, we took these imprints on her first birthday. Wow, finally it came out. You can see here it came so nicely. You can even observe the fine lines over here. We did not paint it as I thought to show you all in raw form so that you can observe the fine lines on it even clearly. Here you can see my baby's reaction on seeing her imprints. Next comes hand imprints. For hand imprints, we can choose this type of vertical container so that it will be very convenient for inserting baby's hands. After mold formation, it's been bit hard to remove the mold from the container for us. So, my tip is who wish to do imprints, choose the container which can be easily removed, or it's okay to cut the edge or bottom of the container. Later, I will post painted imprints pictures. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.